Do you know what negligence is? Hi, come join me. I'm Gerry Oginski. I'm a New York medical malpractice and personal injury trial attorney. And today's video I want to explain to you what is negligence. Negligence means lack of ordinary care. It means carelessness. And now why is that important for you? Well, here's a perfect example. I'm standing out here in a beautiful park on a great winter day here in Great Neck. And behind me you can see a playground. Now, there are instances where your child may be playing in the playground, fall and get hurt. And the question you may have is somebody negligent? Is somebody careless that may have caused my child's injuries? To answer that question, you have to understand what carelessness is. To understand whether or not the owner of the particular playground may be responsible, you would then have to do a full evaluation and investigation into the design of the particular park. What type of flooring was available? How did they design this particular piece of equipment? What was it designed for? What was the purpose? All of those questions need to be answered, and you need experts to give you those answers. Let me give you an easy example to understand. In your car, you're driving along the road, and all of a sudden you get hit in the rear from another car. Is the person who hit you in the back responsible for your accident? Well, if we learn that the person was busy putting on their makeup and did not look outside to see what was there to be seen, obviously we can argue that they were careless. If they were lighting a cigarette and the lighter fell on the floor and now they're fumbling around for what was on the floor, again, we can argue that they were careless and negligent. If they were texting and taking their eyes away from what they should have been looking at, then again, we argue that they were careless and negligent. And those are relatively obvious things that we can argue. The not so obvious things are, let's say, somebody going through a red light, where now you have a dispute between witnesses. Somebody says the light was green, somebody says the light was red. The question is, who is right? So there are various shades of what might be correct, what may or may not be carelessness or negligence. Negligence is a lack of ordinary and reasonable care. So that's it for today's video tip. And by the way, if you found this information helpful, what I want you to do is to press that button below that says like, if you're watching this on Facebook or YouTube. This way all of your friends can get the benefit of the same exact information that you just got. And if you have legal questions, as always, you can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at lawmed10@yahoo.com. I'm Gerry Oginski here in New York. Thanks for watching.